Let us continue further with few more adjustments. Once again, I'm telling you, if you have any of your adjustments, feel free to contact me. First, I will take up that, and then only we will be going for the the adjustment what I feel is important. What is the meaning of this adjustment? Adjustment number 6, page number 149.
Prepaid income.
So what will be the effect? Prepaid income.
Deducted from income.
Deducted from commission.
Liability.
Wait. Prepaid income is the right word?
So received in advance.
Yeah, pre-received you can say, not prepaid. A pre-received income. Yes, what will be the effect?
Deduct from income and add to liabilities.
I think this you know. Just an
So it is an information.
What will be the effect of this? Effect of this?
Reduce from purchases and add to furniture cost in the balance sheet.
Why?
Because it was accidentally added to a
Not
revenue
accidentally.
expenditure.
Yeah, it's a capital expenditure included in revenue expenditure. Very correct. Oh. And this is coming again. Yes or no?
Yes.
What it implies? What it implies?
सर मैं 6 month का प्रीपेड का एडवांस में पे कर दिया है.
Very good. Again your doubt came again. अच्छा यही था doubt क्या आपका? No. That was in 149 ना? Again
सर यही था सर.
यही था.
Same sir. Same.
I'm not taking this regular adjustment. So this you can do it. What will be the effect? So today you must have realized so many adjustments we have taken other than the regular bad dates, outstanding. ये सब आपको आता है. This you have done since last 2 years. Depreciation, prepaid. Yes or no? I have not considered and accounted those regular adjustments. We have discussed some extraordinary kind of adjustment today. Yes.
Trading credit side.
The trading credit and asset side.
Why?
Because it is yet to be received. अब तक receive नहीं हुआ है insurance company से.
इसको किस टाइप का इंश्योरेंस बोलेंगे? So there will be three kind of condition. One will be fully insured, जो अभी आपको दिख रहा है कि जितना आपका गुड्स लॉस हुआ उतना इंश्योरेंस था, अपनी की पॉलिसी ली हुई थी आपने. So that much amount of loss you are going to gain, recover from the insurance company. So trading credit and asset side, because they are the debtors to that extent. Okay. We are going to receive from them. There will be fully uninsured goods. तो अगर fully uninsured रहता तो क्या होता था इफेक्ट?
Profit and loss debit side.
Debit आ जाता था. Very good. And if it would have been partly insured, then suppose
Profit and loss debit side and the remaining which are insured on the asset side.
very good. What is the meaning of this?
To add in purchases, rupees 5,000.
Add to purchases and add to creditors.
Okay. Suppose this would not have been given then. %90 student does error over here. They always take the effect as unrecorded purchase and what you guys told, add to purchase and add to creditor. Suppose if this good has not been included in closing stock, then we need to add to the closing stock also. And once you are adding to the closing stock, I believe it will always be going to give two effects. Yes or no? हाँ या ना? Give me 1 second. Okay, understood, dear student?
So,
this-
if this last part wasn't given, it would come in 4 places, right?
Four
This same
places.
adjustment.
4 places. Absolutely right. क्योंकि अगर गुड्स रिसीव्ड हुआ तो वो स्टॉक को भी बढ़ाएगा ना बेटा. Tell me
Yes,
yes
sir.
or no. So majority of the time what we do, we always give the effect to purchase and credited creditors हम लोग silent हो जाते हैं. बट अगर आपने परचेज लिया, क्रेडिटर्स को दिया तो स्टॉक कहाँ गया? And once you will add to the stock, I mean in the adjustment of stock, by default stock will have two effects. Trading credit and balance sheet asset. Okay. I think with this we have concluded all your adjustments. Any other doubt? Feel free to contact. Enjoy your vacation. है ना?
So
हाँ.
for CP2, we will get assignments which you have given already or
Yes.
some.
I'm giving regular assignment. Now,
That's regular, right?
now I have not assessed so thoroughly, but after this break, I'm going to assess thoroughly all the assignments of chapter 1 and 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then we will discuss chapter 3 and 4. Chapter 3 is more or less this only. That will be your departmental final account. Have you seen that syllabus or not?
Yes, sir.
So again final account आएगा. Okay. Again there will be a columnar form. डिपार्टमेंटल में क्या होगा, एक का ट्रेडिंग नहीं रहेगा, 3 डिपार्टमेंट का ट्रेडिंग होगा, 2 डिपार्टमेंट रहेंगे, 4 डिपार्टमेंट रहेंगे, बट कंसेप्ट यही रहने वाला है. ठीक है, हाँ या ना?
Yes, sir. So
और
we have to do all the unsolved questions of chapter 1 and
yes, all unsolved,
Yes.
जितना प्रैक्टिस करता है, ऑब्जेक्टिव थियरी, एवरीथिंग यू डू.
okay.
Okay. Third important thing, in vacation, try to visit one departmental store. Visit means you have to observe. I may ask certain questions. What you have observed there. Okay. Keep the selfie with you. I will verify whether you have visited that departmental store or not. अरे समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो पीडीएफ में लेके उसको गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड कर देना. ठीक है? And make a small report what you have observed during that departmental store visit. कि सर हमने ये ऑब्जर्व किया, हमने वो ऑब्जर्व किया. You will take that. Is this clear? So I'm giving the assignment, sitting at home doing assignment, or roaming around and then also doing the assignment. Going for shopping, there also we can do certain learning, certain kind of brainstorming, certain kind of learning lesson from there. So this is how you need to grow yourself now. Your strategy of growing should enhance. Every time you have to have this mission that I need to learn something. Okay? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Any other doubts? नहीं ना? Don't follow this. ये आपके नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में है, सिंगल एंट्री, अभी नहीं है. ठीक है, ये ओल्ड सिलेबस में था, रिवाइज सिलेबस में, ऑटोनॉमस में ये नहीं है. ठीक है, इसके बाद डायरेक्ट डिपार्टमेंटल फाइनल अकाउंट है और लास्ट चैप्टर यही है, हायर परचेज. हायर परचेज ही है ना इसका लास्ट चैप्टर. कौन सा है? नो, ये भी फायर इंश्योरेंस क्लेम है, ये भी नहीं है. ये दोनों नए चैप्टर है आपके सिलेबस में. यू कैन वेरीफाई इन योर सिलेबस. ओके, ओके डियर स्टूडेंट.
Yes, sir.
चलो बाय, टेक केयर.
Yes.